Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying what consumes space right now. Open storage settings and look for the largest items. Once done, sort by size and pick the top 3 to 5 offenders. Make sure to note system versus user data and check cache totals separately. You will act on apps, media, and temporary files first. This avoids deleting personal files by mistake. Keep a mental list of files to remove or move before proceeding to safe cleanup steps. You now remove the biggest repeat offenders. First, uninstall apps you no longer use and clear caches for apps you keep. Next, tackle media. Delete duplicates and move high-resolution photos and videos to an external drive or cloud storage. Once media is secure, compress in frequently used project folders with zip or 7Z to save space. Make sure to empty the trash or recycle bin after deletions, and verify freed space in Settings before moving to System and Temporary File Cleanup. You finish by cleaning system-level junk, run disk cleanup, remove temporary files, and uninstall redundant language packs or drivers. If space remains tight, offload large installers, move less used data to SD or USB, or consider a cloud archive. Once complete, reboot and confirm available space. If a file refuses removal, boot into safe mode and delete it there. If that fails, check permissions or use a file recovery-aware cleaner. This final pass ensures a stable, recoverable storage state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.